വെച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. അപ്പം ഇനി ഞങ്ങൾ കളിക്കാൻ പോണത് ഈ ഗെയിമാട്ടോ. വൺ ഷൂട്ടാണ്. തേർഡ് അല്ലല്ല ഫോർത്ത് എടുക്കണം. എന്തോ കഷ്ടത്തോട്ട് തിരിച്ചു താഴ്ത്തില്ല.
choice but to attend alone. Tormented by her she was filled with guilt, constantly avoiding her sister's gaze. The man from the luxury car spotted her and intended to go over to talk to her, but it was too late. A young, handsome man stepped forward and stood right in front of the girl. Every day, the girl mends her
What are you doing?
We were celebrating Matilda's birthday.
What do you do?
We were celebrating Matilda's birthday in this new restaurant. Everyone was vibing well. I started to eat a slice of bread, but then suddenly the vibe changed and everybody was staring at me. Turns out Laura was saving that bread to later feed it to Pet Dog. I got so embarrassed, but it was too late to back down, so I still ate the bread and ate on it. But then Liam started to accompany me and ate the bread too, saying, "It's just bread, no big deal." I took a sigh of relief. The thing was, I like Liam. I think he is handsome, smart, and sweet, but I always felt a gap between us. The other day it was Liam's birthday. Everybody was excited for the party. I had handmade a prepared keychain for him. Everyone had brought expensive gifts worth 10 hundreds, and then there was my cheap homemade keychain. I was too embarrassed to give it to him. He noticed me running away, so I made an excuse saying I had to urgently pick a delivery and couldn't make it to his birthday party. Later, my friends came up to me and asked the same question: why wasn't I at the party? I lied again, saying I wasn't feeling well. They immediately got worried, especially since I was working 3 part-time jobs. I come from a poor family, so I can't rely on my parents for extra allowance. They can already barely afford my college fees. A rich guy like Liam is not. Liam called me saying that he had my note that I forgot in the class. I got up to go get it. Turns out it was a surprise birthday gift from me. Funny how all of our birthdays are in the same month. It was a grand gesture from him, but
In Japan that always surprise people. If it's your first time in Japan,
so she decided to ask the boss. They were on a meeting. They were so shocked by what she said. She suddenly kissed the boss.
the boy deliberately broke his bike over a water pipe. A splash of water soaked the girl in an instant. Embarrassed and messy, she stepped forward
ഗൈസ്, കുറേ നേരമായിരുന്നു. അപ്പോൾ ഇത്രയോളം ഗൈസ്. ഇനി അടുത്ത ഈവനിങ് കാണണമെങ്കിൽ ലൈക്കും സബ്സ്ക്രൈബും ചെയ്യണം ഈ വീഡിയോയ്ക്ക്. ഇനിയും പുതിയ വീഡിയോകൾ ഇടുന്നതായിരിക്കും. അപ്പോൾ അതിനു വേണ്ടി ലൈക്ക് ആൻഡ് സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ്.